Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. So this is episode 2. If you haven't seen episode 1, I highly recommend go watching it. I talk a lot about, paint correcting your car, and I did give a little bit more details on how to, but in this video we're going to be going more in depth on the video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and like this video so others can see it as well. But in today's video, we are actually going to be paint correcting my black Mercedes C230. And the first step you want to do is to wash the car. I haven't washed it yet. It's sitting outside currently. I'm going to be washing it pretty soon. And I use this as my car wash. This is pretty good stuff. So I'm going to be using this real quick, get it washed, so we can start using the products that I have. Again, if you haven't seen episode 1, go watch it because I do talk a lot about the products that I'm going to be using in this video. Alright, car's all washed up. I pulled it into the garage so I can clean it so no, pollens or dirt gets on the car before wiping it down. That's what you want to do. Make sure you keep it in the garage. There's not going to be a lot of sunlight in here because I'm going to be closing this garage as well while I work on the car. Alright, car's all cleaned up. If you guys are curious to how the paint looks, I can show you real quick. So I don't really have that much sunlight in here, but hopefully the camera can pick things up as we work on the car to show you guys. As you can see, that both garages are closed, and I have that right there and this light. So not that much I can work with for you guys, but once this is done, you guys are gonna be able to tell the difference, I'm sure. We're gonna start off with the compound right here, and I've got my conditioner right here. I'm gonna condition the pad real quick and then put my compound on the pad, and then we can begin working on the car. I've got my microfiber towels right here. I'll put you guys on a time lapse and you guys can see what I'm doing. Just getting a little bit on there, nothing too crazy. So I just got done with the compound on the car. The compound does leave a lot of dust on the car, so if you can tell, there's a lot of dust on the car. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out. You can rinse it off, bring it back in, clean it with a microfiber towel, and then we'll go ahead and use the polish and the wax on there. Polish shouldn't leave any sort of dust, and the wax should stay on there pretty well. Let me go do that real quick, and I'll pull the car back in and clean it off. All right, so the wax is being applied right now. Again, you want to set your speed to probably like the slowest speed on here, and just once on it, and then move on to the next sections. That's it. Yep. You can move quicker than that. So yeah. And once we're done with the wax, again, we're going to be using this product right here, the ceramic 3-in-1 detailer. So this, I'm going to have to wait for at least maybe 20 to 30 minutes for the wax to really sit on the car, and then go ahead, wipe it off, and then use this right here. Well guys, it's completely done, and let me show you guys the result real quick. So this is how the car is looking. It's looking a ton better than how it was looking before. This is my first time doing it, so I'm not a professional, but it's one heck of a difference. I'm not sure if the camera is really picking it up, but it looks really, really good. I mean, all the swirl marks are pretty much vanished. I mean, just look at it. It's like a mirror, pretty much. So I'm pretty impressed with this and how it turned out. Oh yeah, this looks really, really good. The front, there's not that much I could do because of the rock chips. So pretty much it would have to, you know, pretty much get repainted. You can see the scratches on here are pretty deep. Wow. It actually looks really good on camera. Okay. Yeah, that looks really, really good. Well, this will be the end of the video, guys. I enjoyed doing this job. It took me about, let's say, I started at 10:30, and what time is it? It's 5:20, so about 7 hours. If you really want to get it really done well, just take your time and do it. And yeah, you get your car looking like this again. So all this for, what was it? The whole kit itself. And actually I bought one additional thing which didn't come with the kit. The kit didn't actually come with the wax. The best for black cars is this right here. Walmart has it. It's cheaper than getting it at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. So overall, that I got for $17, and this I already talked about. So overall, I ended up just paying almost $100. So pretty much, let's just put it at $100. We got this job done. The car looks fantastic. Compared to going somewhere professional and getting it done for around $500 to $600. Depends on where you go. So that's pretty much it, guys. And obviously, I did use this stuff after I was done using the wax. So that's gonna really protect the paint of the car. Well, the wax does, but this just kind of gives it a ceramic coat into it. So you know, whenever you want to just clean your car again, you can just use this rather than washing your car. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna close it out on this video. Let me show you guys the car one more time. Yeah, it's literally like a mirror. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.